Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to fix your issues on Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of Skype and you will click. After that you will find this window of app info and you will click OK. First stop here and we click OK, then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and you are watching.